Hello third graders, let's go over the answers together. So this is the answer to our Module 4 Lesson 1 Seesaw activity. And let's begin by going over the first slide. So here is our rhombus, and the question is asking how many triangles will it take to cover the shape? And then it has already put 3 triangles there, and by looking at the triangle we can find the pattern that it's going to be up, down, and in total on this upper part we know that we have 6 triangles, and we're going to draw our lines, and we know that the bottom row also has 6 triangles, so in total 12 triangles. So I just used a line to show the triangle shapes. However, feel free to pull out your shapes by using this function and put this on top of your shape like this. So I know I need 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6 rhombuses to cover this shape. What about this one? So you need to read the question very carefully. Magnus notices that 3 triangles from part A cover 1 trapezoid. How many trapezoid will you need to cover the shape below? So for this question, you can actually just pull out your trapezoid like this and see how many trapezoid you need to cover this shape, or you can actually just use your part A to answer this question. So like every 3 triangle make 1 trapezoid. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So in total I need 4 trapezoid like this. 2, 3, 4. Slide number 2. Each square is 1 square unit. How many squares did she use to cover the rectangle? All you need to do for this question is that you need to count the triangles one by one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in total she used 12 squares. What is the area of the rectangle in square units? Explain how you find your answer. So the area of the rectangle is still 12 square units because there are 12 squares. Knowing that that's how we calculate the area of a shape, let's do our last slide. Each square is 1 square unit. Which rectangle has the largest area? And how do you know? Let's begin by rectangle A. And I'm going to count the number of squares in this shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this rectangle A has 18 squares. In my rectangle B, instead of counting the squares one by one, I'm actually going to use my multiplication to find the number of squares. And this is the same as the array, where this here, the number here represents the number of rows, and these one represent the number of columns. So I'm going to use my multiplication sentence for times 2, and I found that this has only 8 squares. What about rectangle C? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It has 10 squares. So which rectangle has the largest area? This is the same as which one has the highest number. And that we know It's rectangle A. So that's it for this video. I hope you um, I hope you go over your answers again if you have gotten them wrong, and I will see you in our next lesson. Bye now.